concern. Heard they talking shit about who will win and why. I'm alive, just took one to revive. Ain't seen the best yet, open up your eyes, yeah. When shit get tense, we twist up and we get fried.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Jaterra, Bria'Na. If you don't know, you know. So make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. We are almost at 6,000 subscribers, you guys. 6,000 subscribers, okay? So make sure that you subscribe and join the family. Today's video is a hair tutorial. As you can see by the title, I'm showing you guys how I achieved my version of the passion twist, okay? So if you want to see how I achieved this look, you want to see how I got all these beautiful twists, then just keep on watching and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.
Feel up, baby, feel on me.
I been looking for you, baby. You need somebody wavy. Shorty know I got it, shorty know I'm on it. Pull up upon me when I rub up on palming. Come fuck with the top shot, money on me, no.
So I look crazy, as you can see. But y'all know every single time I come on camera looking like this, y'all know it's going to be another hair tutorial. So in today's video, I will be showing you guys my version of how I am going to achieve. Dang, my hair nappy. Anyways, I am going to be showing you guys how I achieve my version of the passion twist, okay? So we about to look like a bohemian queen, a Nubian goddess, you feel me? And we're gonna see how this goes. I'm gonna show you guys from beginning to end of how I'm going to achieve this style, all of the products, all of the prices, all that, okay? So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. I have already shampooed and conditioned my hair. I'm not going to show you the products because it really don't matter. Just make sure your hair is clean and, you know, make sure it's somewhat stretched. As you can see, my hair has a lot of shrinkage. It's not like fully stretched at all, simply because having my ends still be kinky is going to allow me to make my hair really lock and grip onto the added hair that we're going to be putting in, okay? You get what I'm saying? I'm doing this. So yeah, I'm actually going to take you guys on a trip with me to the beauty supply store, and I'm going to show you everything I bought in the store right now. So alright y'all, so I'm in the beauty supply store or whatever. Is this going to focus? Okay, so far this is what I got. I got some fingers in the way, hold on. I got some shine spray. Got some Lot of Body mousse for when my twists are done. I got some oil so my parts stay moisturized. I'm gonna wash and blow dry my hair, and I know I ran out of conditioner, so I got that. Now I'm contemplating on getting this Mary's beeswax to do my twist. It's only $2.99, so I think I'm gonna get it. But I'm also going to get some Hicks just in case, because I don't know which one is going to work better on my hair. And this is only $2.99, so I'm just going to get it. So yeah, now on our way to get the hair. Okay, so I found Water Wave, but this is gray. This is, what is this? Burgundy? Like, they don't got no black. Purple. Don't nobody want this daggone go-go curl. So I found another Water Wave, but it's by a different brand. I'm not sure if the hair is how the hair is gonna feel. I'm about to try to open it. Oh my god, I can't open it. Oh wait, yes I can, I think. I don't know. I'm about to go feel the difference. Hold on. Okay, y'all, so I found all the hair, and I think I'm just gonna go with this brand because, for one, the free trust hair, they don't even have enough packs for me to get the amount that I need, because I need like low-key like 7 or 8 packs. So I'm gonna go with this brand and just pray for the best. Do they have any length that's longer than 18? Jesus Christ, being a girl is so difficult. Okay, that's 1 and 1B, so 2. The reason why I'm getting so many is because you gotta put 2 per passion twist. So I don't want to run out of hair. I would rather have too much hair than not enough. I have to come back. So that's what I'm gonna do. And then I already have 1 pack of free tress in the Water Wave, and I'm gonna use that hair to leave out since it's a little bit softer, because I want like some curly pieces to be left out. So I'll see y'all when I get started. So with that being said, this is how that hair comes in the package. It's like super duper coiled and pretty. It has a really nice shine. When I was feeling it in the store, I didn't realize that I was actually feeling the nets that came with it. So this hair is actually super duper soft. Way softer than it was in the little protective, what's it called, like Lady Lunch. The Lunch Lady nets. That's what was protecting the hair. So I was really feeling that in the store, and I was like, this hair kind of a little, but it'll have to do. But no, the hair is super duper soft actually. So I'm really excited about that. And this is the hair stretched out. And I'm gonna show you guys how I stretch it in just a second. But yeah, it still has a lot of definition. I didn't want it too nappy. I don't got time for that. I think I may like this hair better than a free tress, honestly, truly. But like I was saying, I'm gonna show you guys how I stretch the hair out so it cannot be super duper coiled, and it looks more natural. Some people take the bottom and like split it like this, but I feel like that like makes the hair a little bit more frizzy. So what I personally did was just run my hand through it, like run my hand on it. But as I did it, kind of like stuck my thumb through it and kind of like separated with my fingers a little bit, because it opens up the curl, but it's not frizzy. That's all I did to all of the pieces, but I left the top of it still coiled like that because it's just gonna help for when I'm twisting the hair in. Okay, so first things first, what you're gonna do is get a, what's this called?
Really, nigga?
What you're gonna do is get a rat tail comb for your parting, and you're gonna get some type of clip or a little scrunchie to hold your hair, and you're gonna make sure that you get your wax. Okay, so like you saw earlier, I got the Hicks Edge Control, and then I got the Murray's Beeswax. I'm gonna be using this for my roots, and I'm gonna use this for my ends, okay, because I need to make sure that my roots are sticky and really have a good grip, and I want to make sure this smooths my hair and blends it with the water wave hair. Okay, so I'm just going to section my hair off right now. So what I've seen a lot of other people do is make individual twists or make individual plaits. I'm not doing that, okay? I'm flat out not doing that. I did that the last time when I did my faux locks, and it just took too long and I don't have time for it. Plus I saw a method that didn't call for it, so I am following that method with my own little spin on it. I'm also not doing the rubber band method at the top because I feel like when my mom used to put rubber bands at the end of my hair, it would break my ends off because I would just want to snatch the rubber band off, you know, like if it got tangled up in my hair, I didn't feel like taking my time to detangle the hair and take out the rubber band, and I still don't have time to do that right now. Okay, you guys, so I basically had to go teach myself how to do them, but I basically did my back row. So far I have 3 in, and they are so cute. Let me show you the length. They are super long, like literally long to my thumbs, okay? And they're chunky and cute and like super duper tight. I don't know if y'all can see that, but they are really tight to my scalp, and I really like them. Okay, so let me show you guys how I did it now that I've taught myself, okay? Alright, so what you're gonna do is brush your section out. Hopefully you start from your ends and work your way up to your roots. And then you're gonna get some of the Hicks. I got like this much, not sure if you can tell, and I'm putting it all on my roots, okay? And I want to make sure it's nice and coated top, bottom, side, and side, right? So now your hair should look something like that. Should kind of be stuck. You see that? Now you're going to separate your hair into 2 sections. Boom. Right? Hold on. So you're going to get your 2 sections. Make sure one side is longer than the other, like I said. And you're going to put the hair underneath your real hair. So place it right underneath. You're going to take one side of that section with one side and do the same thing with the other. So you should have something looking like this, okay? The added hair and your real hair. And then you're going to put the hair to your roots, and you're going to make sure that you twist your hair with the added hair. Don't worry, I'm gonna show you guys in the front of my head so you see everything I'm doing. I know this is kind of behind my ear. Once you feel it super duper tight to your scalp, you're gonna switch off and do the same exact thing to the other side while holding the side that you just twisted. Do not let that side go, okay? So you're basically just twisting everything up. If you know how to do locks, then you probably know how to do this. But basically, once both sides are twisted, it's gonna look something like this, and it's gonna look really intertwined. And then you're just going to regularly twist while still twisting the hair in that motion, if that makes any sense. I don't know why I'm about to cry. I promise you guys it doesn't hurt. But as you twist, the hair is going to get tighter and tighter to your scalp, and it ain't going nowhere, okay? If any of the hair gets out of place, you want to add more hicks so everything is nice and smooth. Now you're going to get some beeswax and put that on your real hair right here so everything can lock into the water wave hair. What I noticed in some other videos is that people like to pull the twist up. I don't do that simply because like it's gonna look messy on its own. So I just feel like doing that pull-up method is just going to make it look even more messier than it has to be. And you know, that's just my personal preference. So once you do all that twisting, you really can just like twist regularly down the hair. Make sure you keep adding something to keep your hands from sticking together. So add some hicks or some beeswax. And when I get to the end, all I like to do is twist the hair around like so it stays together. And voila, you have another twist. And this is what they look like. I like them so much. Now I'm going to do a lot more of them, and I'm going to come back when we have basically like half of my head done, okay? Oh my god, I'm so tired. Look at them. They're so cute. Okay, you guys, so we're back and we're done. This is the final product. Excuse all these pimples I'm breaking out. Oh my god, like this is not cute. But this is the final product. It's a lot of them, you guys. Like, look how full my hair is. Oh my god. But anyways, we're done. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all, I ran out of hair. I ran out of hair on like the last twist right here, so I had to go to the back and make 2 twists into one big twist. It's real hidden, ain't nobody gonna see it, and it's still not even that big because my sections are really small, as you can tell. But with that being said, I used all of the packs of hair. I'm not sure if I picked up 7 or 8, but I used no more, no less. I used all of the packs, and it's actually perfect. Let me get up and show you guys what they look like here at the ends. They're nice and cute. The hair is super soft. It's super fluffy. They poppin'. I love it. I love this style. So before I get into putting the little jewelry on, I'm gonna do that in a second. I'm gonna spray just the front of my hair with some Maintain Shine oil. And when my hair tends to get a little frizzy, I will put this Lotta Body mousse on it, okay? But other than that, my favorite part. Let's get to decorating, okay? Okay, you guys, so I put a little bit of the jewelry in, not too much because I don't like a lot, so I don't want nothing too crazy, but here we have it. They're super cute. I like how you have to kind of look for them to find them. They're not like all in the front. I don't like that, but anyways, this is how I decided to style them. And now I'm about to do these edges, okay, because they look they're looking crazy. So yeah, since I've been using the Hicks and it's basically gone, I don't know if y'all can see that, baby girl is basically gone, so I'm just gonna get the rest and do my edges real quick. So boom, my edges are done. Basically that's the final look, you guys. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns, please make sure that you leave them in the description box below. I'm sorry I keep touching my hair, but I really like it. So yeah, I cannot wait to see what hair tutorial I do for you guys next. So if you have any requests, make sure you leave them in the comment section down below. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Fill up, baby, fill up.